Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can duplicate your sites on Wix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am on the dashboard of my Wix studio, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can duplicate sites from here first. There are two ways, and I'll show you both, but this is the first one. Now, the studio and the classic Wix version, it has the pretty much same process, and all you have to do is go into all sites and click go to all sites. In the original Wix version, this will just say the name of the site whose dashboard you're currently on, and then you just click here and go to all sites pretty much the same way. Now, if you want to duplicate a site, what you need to do is, well, first of all, search for the site you want to duplicate, click the site actions, which are these three dots, and then you just go into duplicate site. You select the name of the duplicate, then click duplicate, and after a couple of seconds, it's going to duplicate your site, and the duplicate will appear here on your dashboard. And as you can see, it's been successful, and it has added a copy of site 5 right to my dashboard. Now, what you can also do is, if you're in the editor for one of your sites, you can go into site over in the top left and click duplicate site again. It'll open up this dashboard window. As you'll see, it's loading the dashboard. It takes you to pretty much the same place where you need to be, and then you need to repeat the process again, or, well, rather not. You just need to repeat the renaming and click duplicate again, and then you'll be able to view your site from the list over there. And that's basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.